How to add multiple pages on a WordPress website. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add multiple pages on a WordPress website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your WordPress website and you'll get right here on your dashboard. This is one of the test websites that I'm creating, and today I'll show you how to create more than one page on a WordPress website and how to add those pages to the navigation menu on your website, how to create a mega menu. So it's going to be an overall tutorial for you guys to actually help you create a very professional website with multiple pages that you can manage better on WordPress. So let's get into it. First of all, once you are on your dashboard, you can actually visit your website on WordPress and you will be able to see how many pages you got. Right here in our menu, simply go to the pages section and click on all pages. It will open up all the pages that you have on your WordPress website. Now, if you just created your website, if you have selected a template or a theme, it will actually show you that you have one page. So you want to create multiple pages. You can see it's a test website, so I actually have a lot of different pages created. For example, you can see privacy policy, I have sample pages, shop page, a donation page, cart, appointments. So I just create different videos and I have a lot of pages created. You will have one page here. To create a new page, just click on add new, and it allows you to create a brand new page on your WordPress website. Alright, so this is where you enter the title for your page. Let's create a page for our YouTube channel, okay? So let's just call it our channel page, or let's just call it video page. So this is the name for my page, and don't mind the name, I just went with the title that will help me, that will remind me why I created this page. So we have this page and this is going to be the title for the page that you're creating. Now the title has been created, click on enter and you have a page name. Then we need to add some of the blocks to our page to actually add different elements. You can add a blog from this section or you can click on this option as well that allows you to add a blog. So we have two options, this plus button and this plus button as well. I'm going to click on this one and it will open up all of the different options we have. We can add different post lists, we can add paragraphs, headings, list, codes. Then we have image, galleries, audio, cover, add the files, videos, buttons, calendar, categories, page list, RSS feed, custom HTMLs, archives, navigation, site logo, site title. So with WordPress, we get unlimited option to add to a page. You can see like there are a lot of different options, and it also depends on the plugins that you have added. For example, I have some of the plugins such as Grow, and then I have WooCommerce, so I'm getting more options, to add to my website page. So I will just create a simple page for you guys quickly. Let's add a heading, and in heading I'm just gonna call it YouTube video. All right, so this is my heading, and then what I can do is I can add a paragraph now. Let's actually quickly create a page, and this way you will create as many pages as you want on your WordPress website. It's actually really easy to do, and I'm just gonna go to the paragraph and drop it here. So I have just written the word paragraph here to show you that this is where the paragraph will be, any text you want to add. So I'm just gonna, add some of the dots to just give you an example. So this is where the text will be. Now we can add another block. As I'm creating a videos here, a video page, let's add an image and then a video. So I'm just gonna select the image now, kind of like drag it and drop it here. So this is where the image will be. I'm gonna upload an image. Uploading an image is really easy. You can just select from your computer. So this is the image that I went with, and we can actually, place it in the center as well. All right, so this is where it will be. And then we can add a video to a page or a button. Let's add a button now for the YouTube channel. In button, it will say click here. Let's add the link. Here, I will just enter the link from our YouTube channel, which is the social guide, and it will have the link right here in our button, and every time somebody will click on it, they will be driven to our YouTube channel. So this is the page that I created for the channel, a very quick page with just like random information to show you guys. Once it's done, you can click on publish, and publish your page. And this is where you will select different visibilities. I'm going to actually make it a private page, not make it public for now. And we're going to view our page now. And this is what a page looks like on WordPress. Very simple looking page that I created, right? This is the title, YouTube video, again, the paragraph, the button, the image. This is how you create a page on WordPress, and now you can customize your page more. Click on customize anytime you want, and it will allow you to customize the theme of the page, to customize the menu, to customize the logos, everything you want to customize. So you can see right here, I can customize the header, footer, typography, menu, widget, and other things. Go to the menu right here, and this is where you can actually create a navigation menu of your page. Click on create new menu, and then you have to select what are the different things that you want to add to your WordPress site right here. I also have a plugin known as Max Mega Menu that allows me to create a mega menu on my website. You can also check a video on this channel which shows you how to create a mega menu, so that also helps you with your customization of the website and to actually make it more effective and responsive. So you can select the location right here if you have that plugin, and this way you will be able to create a navigation menu or a mega menu of the pages that you create. Now I'll take you back to the main dashboard and show you how to actually customize the menu with the simple dashboard that you have. On your WordPress dashboard, you can simply scroll down to appearance, and then you will go to menu. So here you will be able to find all of the pages of your website, and you can see I have multiple pages. Like you can see I have more than like 13 pages. This is the page that we just created, and now I can select different pages to add to a simple menu. You can create a menu name, then you can add the pages. I have added 2 pages. Then you can select that display location of your menu, and this way you will be able to create navigation menus and mega menus of the multiple pages you are creating on WordPress website. This way you will be able to customize it and manage your pages very easily using WordPress. WordPress allows you to create multiple pages. It's really easy. You can also use different widgets, and if you're using Elementor, you can add different blocks to it. You can add very animated and a very responsive design and styles to your pages as well. But I showed you how to create multiple pages on a WordPress website as a complete beginner, and I hope that I was a big help to you. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.